Hey friends, welcome back to Emerald C. If you're new here, I'm Emerald. I test this stuff we actually use every day so you don't have to waste your coin, all right? If you like honest reviews with a little bit of chaos and a lot of fun, you're in the right place. So today we are diving into a little drugstore legend, the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 3-second setting spray mist right here. They say 3 seconds of spray equals 36 hours of makeup wear, which sounds a little bit of bold energy for such a tiny bottle. Let's see if it's actually worth it. So we're gonna get into my first impression. So this bottle, first thing I noticed, the mist is chef's kiss fine, all right? It's not one of those aggressive sprays that leaves you dodging droplets. Look, watch this. Nice and fine. It's like a gentle cloud setting your face. Kind of fancy for a drugstore product. But here's the thing, you gotta shake it, right? If you don't, the nozzle gets in the mood and it spits out instead of mist, and nobody needs a polka dot foundation. There's a light cosmetic scent here. It's not strong, but it's definitely there. Kind of reminds me of hairspray a little bit. I can live with it, but if you hate any fragrance at all, just know that up front, okay? My whole experience with the application process of this spray is I usually do 2 or 3 spritzes, right? Front, side, and that's plenty. It dries quickly, so you're not sitting there flapping with your hands using a little mini fan like you're trying to take it off, and it feels weightless. So some setting sprays make you feel like you shellac your face, but this one, it kind of disappears. Now, I wanted to give a proper real world test. I put my makeup on at 8 a.m. and right now it is, okay, it's like 5:47. It's 5:47 right now. We went against humidity here in Philly, got emotional off of a dog rescue video on TikTok, and then I took a little nap on the couch because I was tired. Now, again, you can see blush is still there. Foundation is smooth. It's not cracking around the nose. Eyeliner might be a little bit faded, but honestly, it survived a nap, so I'm impressed. I wouldn't call it a 36-hour miracle, but it's definitely an all-day layer. Plus, I have really oily skin, so sometimes you'll see a little shine here. I ain't mad at it. I like shining, except when I don't want to shine. But we're gonna break it down. Some of the pros that I enjoy most about L'Oreal is super fine and it's an even mist. It holds makeup in place for, I wanna say 12 to 16 hours. So basically it's a full day. It feels light, it's not sticky, it's affordable. I got this right here on Amazon, so you're not dropping luxury money. Now, if we're looking at cons, it needs a good shake or two or else the nozzle spits. It does have a scent. It could be fine for most, but not for people who want a completely fragrance-free setting mist. The 36-hour claim is kind of dramatic, but the package isn't glamorous. It does the job though. So if you're like, oh, I want something that's just like elegant and beautiful and high-end, this ain't her. But she will do the job for the contents inside. Now, if we're being realistic, no setting spray is going to make you look fresh after a marathon or through a thunderstorm, but for work, errands, dinner, a night out, it's very reliable. It's like that one friend who always shows up, not flashy, but they're dependable. Okay, that's the bottom line is, I like it. It's affordable and it actually helps your makeup stay put, and it also doesn't feel heavy, which is most definitely a bonus. I'm gonna go ahead and give it 8.5 out of 10 spritzes. All right. I've already gone through half of this bottle, so yes, I would definitely buy it again. Now, if you tried it, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button for Emerald C. I want to see you in the next video. I want you to come back for more real life reviews. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Toodaloo.